You're watching All Things Antonia. I hope you subscribe. Hi guys, welcome back to All Things Antonia. My name is Antonia, and in today's video I have another Grove collaborative haul for you guys, and that's what's in this box right here. I've done a few of these Grove collaborative hauls on my channel before, so I'm going to show you what I received in my order this month. If you're interested, just keep watching. But first, if you're new here, go ahead and click on that subscribe button so you don't miss any of my future videos. So let's get started. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and open this up. And as per the usual, I don't really remember what I ordered this time. I think I ordered a few like repeat items, but I think I got some new stuff too. So we're gonna take a look and find out. And then the first thing I see is this little Grove collaborative little pamphlet. And this is for spring 2019. It says we have a gift for you, so I always like to see that. And yeah, I'll have to check that out later with more details, but it says welcome to spring. And they do have several different household items if you're not familiar with Grove Collaborative. They have home items, they have cleaning supplies, they have pet items. So like here's some laundry detergent here. Maybe I'll go through this a little bit later, but yeah, a really good company. So I'll go ahead and get into my order. Okay, so this is the Method fabric softener. Looks like this, and I got it in the Beach Sage scent. And let's see, let's do a smell test here, see what it smells like. Okay. Oh, that smells really good. Okay, so the directions on here say to use, shake well. For HE machines, pour into softener dispenser. For top loading machines, pour into automatic dispenser or directly into water after the machine fills for the rinse cycle. For best results, pour into water, not onto fabric. So that's good information to know. Let's see. So let's see, it softens and fluffs your fabrics, leaves a fresh scent, reduces static cling, makes ironing easier, and it's a hypoallergenic formula. So yeah, and it says it is naturally derived softening power, and you get 45 loads. Okay, so the next item that I have is the Method Glass and Surface Cleaner, and I got this in the Waterfall scent. Again, it comes with this tape to make sure the top doesn't come off during shipping. I've heard a lot of good things about the Method Glass and Surface Cleaner. Oh, that smells good. I got it on my nose. So let's see what all surfaces this can be used on. It's a naturally derived glass cleaner, so that's good. It's ammonia-free, plant-based, power green technology for a streak-free shine. So that's good there. Let's see. So you can use this on counters, tile, granite, mirrors, and windows. To use, spray, wipe, admire, suitable for most non-porous surfaces. And then it does say to test in an inconspicuous place first, but yeah, I'm super duper excited to try this, and I love that green color that it is. So yeah, I love that all these products are just like naturally derived and not like super duper harsh chemicals. That's what we're going for. All right, so this right here is a repurchase. This is a reorder. This is the Method Daily Shower Cleaner, and this is also a naturally derived shower cleaner. I picked it up in the eucalyptus mint. I received this in my very first Grove Collaborative haul, and I'll link that video above or in the description box below so you can go check it out if you didn't see that one. And it cleans your shower without having to rinse. This is with non-toxic plant-based power green technology as well. And did I mention I got this in the eucalyptus mint scent? I really like this. My bottle is almost empty, so I knew it was time to reorder it, but it works very well in your shower. This is something I will continue to repurchase. I love this stuff. So it works very well. You pretty much just spray this in your shower like a daily shower spray, and it just keeps your shower, you know, free from like soap scum. It just helps to cut down on that. If you haven't tried it before, I highly recommend it. And this is another repurchase as well, and this is the Ultra Soft Tissues, and this is by Seedling by Grove, and they just have like their own seedling company. And this is they're made with 100% sustainable bamboo and sugar cane, so that is good as well. Every 50 boxes purchased equals 1 tree planted. I love that. There's so much going on today in the world with our climate, with our land and air and water, so anything good we can do to help the environment. But yeah, these are really good. I like to keep these on my desk at work. So again, this is a repurchase. You do get, I believe, 90 tissues in here. Yes, you get 90 2-ply sheets in here. So, and they have a nice little minty fragrance to them as well. All right, you guys, and so this is another reorder. So this is the 7th generation dishwasher detergent packs, and I placed an order for these in my very first Grove order, and I mentioned that in that video. I have been using these and they work very well. These are the free and clear, so there's 0 fragrance, dyes, and bleach in these, and they are USDA certified bio-based product, so that's very good. You get 20 packs in here, and so yeah, I'm just reordering these. But yeah, again, I do thoroughly enjoy them. They work very well in my dishwasher. I haven't had any issues with them. They work just as good as any others. Okay, and then the next thing that I have here is this 2-pack of the Ultra Absorbent European dishcloths, and they look like this right here. I think these are super duper cute. So again, it is a 2-pack, and it says less waste, more clean. Once you try our European dishcloth, you may wonder why you ever needed paper towels. These durable and absorbent sponge cloths are perfect for mopping up any mess. When you want to clean them, simply pop them in the dishwasher to easily disinfect. Reduce waste while making your home sparkling clean. The best kind of multitasking. I've heard really good things about these. These were, I think, I don't have the price on it. I think these were like $4.95, $2.95 or $4.95. I can't remember exactly, but I believe I got these for free. I did get a few free items. So the free item I got in this order is this hand cream, and this is in the bergamot orange with moisturizing coconut and rose hip oil. And this is just a 2-ounce hand cream. It has a tab on it, so I can't smell it. Let me take that off. I can't really smell it, but I did just put lotion on before I sat down to record this video. But yeah, I'll have to test it out and see how moisturizing it really is. I have super duper dry skin, so I'll really be able to give it a good review if you're interested in that. And then the other free item that I got in my order is this lip balm, and this is the Grove Collaborative Mint and Argan Lip Balm with hydrating chia seed oil. And let's see, It has organic argan, chia seed, and coconut oil. And it's a lip balm. It gives a powerful dose of antioxidants and essential fatty acids for healthy, beautiful lips. Apply, reapply, and repeat. It is USDA organic, made in the United States. Oh, and it has a nice smell. Very nice, very nice. So I always like to keep like little chapsticks like this at my desk at work. So that's probably where I'll keep this one. Okay, you guys, so that's it. That's all the items that I had in my Grove Collaborative order for this month. Now, this is a monthly subscription service. So you just place your order with them. Their website is amazing. They have so many good products on there. They have home items, baby items, pet care items. They have feminine products as well. So if you're looking to go a more natural route in these areas of your life, then I would definitely suggest you check out the Grove Collaborative. And again, back to this little catalog that they sent, it just shows you some of the things they have in here. You know, everybody's using like bamboo straws now. They have bamboo straws. Also, they have gel hand soaps, and I had some of the gel hand soap in my last order, and I really like it. And then this is some of their spring scents. This is peonies, I believe. Yeah, peony. I will leave a link to their website down below, and I do have a referral link. So if you go through my referral link, you will receive 5 free items with your first order of, I think, $20. And so like I said, you do get full-size products. So all that information will be in the description box below. I'll also link my previous Grove Collaborative haul videos so you can check out and see some of the other products that I've been using, and I'm thoroughly enjoying them. I don't think there's one thing I've gotten so far that I didn't like, honestly. So their shipping is great. Everything comes packaged very well. It's good quality products at an affordable price. Actually, you would be surprised. The prices are not that different from if you were going to go to the store and buy similar cleaning products. So yeah, if you have any questions, you can leave that in the comment section down below. I do want to thank you for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, give it a big thumbs up. Also, if you enjoy videos like this, go ahead and subscribe to my channel. I would greatly appreciate it. And I'll see you in my next video. Bye.